Here it is, tracking 1C, and it looks a little more impressive right now. It is dealing with more in the way of moisture to contend with. The wind's currently at 40 miles per hour. Once it continues its journey off toward the north and northwest, expected to gain some more strength. Right now, moving at west at about 10 miles per hour. It's moving at least a little bit more. Over the past several days, it was sitting basically about 1,100 miles from the coast and then about 1,000 miles from the coast. And it took at least 3 days to get to that point. Now, as we go through the rest of this day, by this afternoon, likely going to have a tropical storm. We'll watch closely with that. And then Hawaii, notice the big island is on the northern side of where the hurricane cone, the forecast cone has been placed, but in the National Hurricane Center, rather. The center of the storm can go anywhere within that red cone. 90% of the time. Sometimes it goes out of that cone, but basically when we look at some of the forecast models and what we're thinking right now, that's where we expect it to go, and that could be having huge impacts for the islands. Now, right now there is some moisture, and watch what happens. The dry air ahead of this storm is starting to fill in due to the thunderstorms that are filling in around the center of this area here. It is in some warmer waters. That is working in its favor. It will stay in those warmer waters for at least a bit longer. It starts to intensify as well. And then look at the exclusive box model showing that we've got high confidence that we could have a system on our hands as we get closer to Friday and into Saturday. And some of the models actually put it at a Category 1 hurricane by the time we get into Saturday. A lot of the models keep it at tropical storm, but having said that, a very strong tropical storm, or Cat 1. Prepare for the next category above. We do have the next name on the list, by the way, which would be Lala, because this took on its name in the Central Pacific. Meantime, the Eastern Pacific, as we mentioned, now has Hernan, and we'll watch closely the tropics here as we go through the days ahead.